Dear investors, once again, I wanted to wish you a happy anniversary for the 2 years of the Nova Capital Group company and the Electratom project. You know where we come from, and you have known since August 2024 that we launched the project. It is thanks to you that we were able to accumulate all these funds. I wanted to remind you that we have been able, over these 2 years, to accumulate $886,000 in the Electratom project. I wanted to reassure every investor that your funds are not being squandered. I wanted to reassure every investor that it is thanks to your funds that the Electratom project is fighting, that the Electratom project is moving forward, and it is thanks to your investments that we have managed to purchase all this equipment. Dear investors, I also wanted to remind you that the investment you are making allows you to have shares and stakes in the company Nova Capital Group, or rather in the Electratom project. Why should you invest in the Electratom project? Because it is the energy of the future. It is the free energy that will allow every person to benefit from low-cost electricity, which will therefore make it possible to address this problem of power outages that we have in African countries, in Asian countries, and even everywhere in the world. You therefore become a co-owner of this technology. What does that mean? Becoming a co-owner of the technology means that you become a participant in the realization of this great project, which is coming to help the world address everything related to put an end to everything that is load shedding, but also power outages in the world and even in African, Asian and other countries. Being a co-owner of this technology means that I am not just an investor, I am therefore a participant in the realization of an innovative project. Dear investors, I therefore wanted to call upon you to mobilize you, but also to raise your awareness about the necessity of paying your investment packages every month. Thanks to the payment of your investment packages, we collect funds, we can invest, we can buy new equipment, we can acquire patents and licenses to allow this project to develop. We have a roadmap, and as you know, every year we have a result that we must achieve. We have a very well-defined objective. Next year, we will therefore proceed with the construction of the first power plant production factory, starting in Russia. In 2028, we are planning to expand to Vietnam. In 2029, we also plan to open a complex in Africa to be able to produce power plants there as well. And in 2030, it will be the payment of dividends. I wanted to remind every investor that in September, we are opening our first scientific laboratory in Vietnam, which will also allow for the development of our project and enable every investor to see their project come to fruition. I think this is something you care about. So as the director of the Nova Capital Group company, I wanted to mobilize you and tell you that you must pay your installments. It is very important. For all those who are behind, please do it, pay your installments, because it is thanks to your funds that we will realize this project. I wanted to remind you that this project will not die. It is a project that will live, and it is a project that will be realized, but it will be done together, hand in hand. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you again next week to share a new news video with you. Here with you, the director of the company, Josue Diop.